One more quick follow-up on the Nvidia trade. In the beginning of the day, we went over a put strategy. I did another follow-up where the trade was making at that point $4,000. Well, now going into the end of the day close, the same options we were buying at $3.10, and hypothetically, if you would have invested $3,000, you would have owned 10 options. Right now, these options are worth $13,200 roughly. You would be selling them at the market right now if you wanted to at right here between 13.15 bid and 14 ask. So you would be able to sell them roughly for $13.50. 10 of them would have provided you with a credit of $13,500. Your initial investment was $3,100. Now we were able to accomplish that within the last 5 hours. So this really represents roughly a 400% return within last 4 or 5 hours. And again, we'll post another trade. As a matter of fact, as the market is selling off, and so is the Nvidia. Okay, right now your position would have been worth $15,000, so your gain would have been $12,000 in 5 hours. If you would like to learn more information on how to spot opportunities like that, on what to look for, there's an entire strategy that I have put together over trading options over the last 12 years. If you'd like to know what things I look at, how do I put on my positions, what is the strategies, what are the patterns, what are the charts, what are the macro environment, what is the entire recipe that goes into these trades, please visit marketcrash.money. Schedule your consultation right here by clicking on How to Profit. Do it now. The market opportunities are absolutely insane. Do not miss out. Schedule your consultation and take advantage of this crazy market environment. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video. Here's another good example of why you should not be listening to the analysts. So Nvidia, I noticed somebody was buying 270 calls just a few days ago, basically betting that Nvidia was going to trade within a month above 270 bucks. Today is the analyst day for Nvidia, and so during the analyst days, this is what typically happens. The stock could go higher significantly, it could go lower. Of course, everybody was pumped up like it's the street's favorite, right? It's got nowhere to go but higher. We keep increasing the price targets on it. So again, this is another example of a reversal trend opportunity, and we clearly saw that it has a chance to sell off. And typically when everybody's so excited about an announcement coming, especially we observed it so many times with Tesla, where we're expecting a new model to come out and everybody gets excited, but when the actual announcement is made, the stock starts selling off. And that's exactly what we're seeing is happening with Nvidia today as the Investors Day is in progress. Okay, the stock initially wants to go higher. It hits the 250. 250 has been a pretty crucial resistance level for Nvidia. Since then, it makes another attempt at going higher and starts selling off. It's at 240 right now, and in my estimate, it could easily fall by the end of the day, 235, 230 range. If it doesn't do it today, it will do it by tomorrow. So here's your quick trade on Nvidia. Where are the options? Let's take a look. Well, the options right now on Nvidia are at, let's just say we'll go with 2 days till expiration, which would be Thursday. All right, the 235 puts right now at $3, $3.25. Okay, so if you were to buy 10 of these puts, you would spend $3,000. We'll review this trade on Thursday night and see where we stand. Actually, if you would have just pulled the trigger on that trade, you will already be making about 300 bucks. Okay, so it's important to notice sometimes situations like this. It's important to notice when to pull a trigger on situations like this. I've actually had some students in this trade since this morning, right around these ranges right here when the stock was trading at 246, 247s. So needless to say, they are 200-300% up on some of these trades. If you would like to learn more information about how to trade options, how to profit from short-term and long-term options trades, because options will generate a much higher return than simply trading stocks or shorting stocks. So if you'd like to learn why market crash is a possibility this year, also why Bitcoin crash is a possibility as well. Simply visit marketcrash.money, hit right here, how to profit button, schedule your consultation. It's going to be a one-on-one consultation where we're going to go specifically over your goals and what you're trying to accomplish with your trading or investment strategy. Now, a part of the consultation will be a file that I will explain to you how I turned 12,466,000 in one trading day in less than 7 hours. It is a personal record of mine, and I will let you in on all the secrets behind the strategies that we're taking to produce such substantial returns. So you would be able to learn quite a bit of knowing why the trades were placed, what stock options were traded to generate such returns, why the trades were placed in a specific environment, and how was that environment predictable before it took place. So you will have the entire recipe on how you could duplicate certain strategies with trading options. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.